What is up, YouTube? It's your boy, Brad Recording. Today I thought, let's make a skit. I have no idea. It's like, to be honest, I have no ideas. But today, I'm still thinking of the idea, but I think I'm gonna do probably a light one, like we're sleeping, I hear noise. Let's get right into it. And I don't have any goals, but comment what's your favorite food. Do that. Without further ado, let's get started. Hey, what you doing in my house, bro? Hey, get your doo-doo booty out of here. I know what time it is. Time to go to sleep after a long day. Well, time to go to bed. Here's my bed. Well, time to go to bed. Now, before I do it... Alright, man. Let's do this. Okay, I can't make some noise. Let's sneak in. Let me just see what they found out here. No, it's in this box. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna steal some protection. Okay. I'm that skeleton right now. I'm dead. What in the barnacles? I'll make that noise. In the intro area, I don't see any reason why this noise. Aha! I have to fix what in here. Alright, I'm safe in here. Okay, I hear my There's other people in this house too. He's coming out the hallway. Oh, my foot. Oh my God. Oh. Yeah. But yeah. Not in here? Nope. Do not see him in the bath. Probably nothing. Heard a loud bang in here. I must be hiding here. Take a... Wait. No. Ooh. Well, let me see if he took anything in these drawers. No. Well, we can't take it. Hey! Get out of here. You see this? Nah, it's so good. Come back to bed. What? Right over here. Everything's gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be fine. My God, is that him? I think he's in the bathroom right now. I'm not sure. Oh my God, he's got scratches here. Okay, he just left. Ooh. You see this? Let's just get on. I almost just died. Ooh. Come on, come on, come on. Alright, that's enough. I know I hear something. Hey, hey! Oh, boy. Yeah, I see you now. I see you now. You think you could hide from me? Nah, don't say all that now. Who done? Who done? Who done? Who done? Who done? Someone else is in my house. No, I think I'm just gonna have this one. Oh, someone help me. Guys, I think I'm stuck. Oh, no. Help! Somebody.